Superheater bypass and startup system control. This topic comes under boiler control system. Superheater bypass and startup system control. There are many types of bypass systems. The following describes the control loops for one particular bypass system being used primarily to facilitate boiler startup. The major control loops involved in a boiler equipped with a superheater bypass system include low load firing rate control, superheat a temperature control, and reheat a temperature control. Figure shown in next slide. This is the figure for superheater bypass control. This figure shall be used in the subsequent slides. But however, if you want to refer to this slide, you can always come back to it. Request: it is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe. A boiler with a superheater bypass system has a bypass valve from the boiler drum to the condenser and a set of division valves located immediately downstream of the primary superheater. This is the bypass valve and these are the superheater division valves. During startup operation, the low load firing rate control loop regulates the boiler firing rate to raise the gas temperature at the furnace exit and build up drum pressure. The drum pressure is maintained at a manually adjusted set point by modulating steam flow to the condenser through the bypass control valve. The steam pressure at the turbine inlet is raised and controlled through the throttling action of the division valves. After the steam line is heated and the steam condition matches the turbine metal temperature, turbine valves are opened to admit steam to the turbine. As the steam enters the turbine, the generator may be synchronized. Once the generator is synchronized, the turbine load may be increased by releasing the stored energy in the drum through the division valves and pressurizing the superheaters downstream of the division valves without increasing the firing rate. Pressurizing the superheaters in this manner results in a fast and stable startup operation while matching steam temperature to the metal condition of the turbine as compared to pressurizing the superheater by increasing the firing rate, as is the case of a boiler without a bypass system. During this period of operation, both the superheat and the reheat a temperature control the superheat and the reheat steam temperature at a set point value that is either manually adjusted or developed from the turbine control system according to the prevailing metal condition in the turbine by regulating spray water flow to the superheat and the reheat a temperature respectively. Request. It is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe.